Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we spoke about some of the tools we're going to be using to build our machine learning projects. So, I precise we're going to be using Miniconda. So, in this video, we're going to see how we can download Miniconda so we can start working building our environment. So, let's proceed. So we're going to go to our browser. We're going to tap download Miniconda. Download Miniconda. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. So we're going to choose Miniconda Anaconda documentation. So we click it, and this is the interface we're going to have. So we can see that's Miniconda, and we're going to scroll a little bit down. You see that is for Windows, that's for Mac, and we have Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I'm just going for this. So you see it's downloading. It might take a little time. Okay, so when it downloads, we're going to go to our download files and we're going to see a Miniconda and we'll click on it. If not, we can just come to the bar down and we're going to click on it and it's going to pop up. So that is it. We're going to click next. Of course, I agree. So click on agree. Just me, install for just me. We don't want all users. And it's Anaconda we're installing, not it's Miniconda we're installing, not Anaconda. So you see, it's going to be downloaded in this folder, in this 5-part. So in yours might be different, so don't bother about that. So that's just a 5-part for me. So I'm going to go on next. So I'm going to click on install. So it's installing. I'm going to wait for it to install. Alright, great. So it's done, completed. So we're going to have to click on next. Alright, so as you can see, it is completed. So we have to click on finish. Great. So it's going to open. It's going to take us to the browser of Anaconda and getting started with Conda. So that's it loading, but I don't need any of that for now, so I may just have to close it. So that is it. We have downloaded Miniconda successfully. See you on the next video.